Marinated pork tacos al pastor. Ingredients. Marinade. 1 to 3 pound, boneless pork butt or loin. 1 white onion roughly chopped. 1 large pineapple peeled and cored, divided juice. Half cup orange juice. 1/4 cup distilled white vinegar. 2 tablespoons ancho chili powder. 4 cloves minced garlic. 1 chipotle in adobo pepper. 1½ teaspoons salt. 1 teaspoon dried Mexican oregano. For serving. 2 large limes cut into wedges. Half cup freshly chopped cilantro. 1 small red onion diced. 12 small corn or flour tortillas. Instructions. Use a sharp knife to slice pork into thin slices. Place in a large mixing bowl or resealable plastic bag. Cut the pineapple into 2-inch wide spears. Dice approximately 1 cup of pineapple and set the rest of the spears aside. Add the roughly chopped onion into a blender along with 1 cup of the cubed pineapple. Add in orange juice, white vinegar, chipotle, chili powder, garlic, salt, and oregano. Puree until smooth. Pour marinade over pork. Refrigerate and let marinate at least 4 hours. Heat a skillet or grill to high heat. Working in small batches, sear each slice of pork until cooked through, 2 to 4 minutes. At the same time, grill pineapple until lightly charred. Roughly chop the cooked pork and dice cooked pineapple. Serve meat up hot on a warm tortilla topped with freshly chopped cilantro, diced grilled pineapple, sliced red onion, and a lime wedge.